So Ralph Wiggum is from The Simpsons, and basically he is a very simple individual, and I mean you could say he's kind of dumb, and he shouldn't be able to figure out complex things. So the idea is if you treat the agent a bit like Ralph, and you say, "Listen, I want you to do this one thing, and then when you're done, I'm going to start a new one," and you sort of brute force it with this kind of dumb character. The engineering term was created by Geoffrey Huntley, and he figured out that he could use a coding agent. He was using AMP at the time, um, and call the coding agent on the command line. So you basically say AMP, dash dash X, and then give it the prompt, and it would that fires up the agent with that prompt. And then what he figured out is, what if I gave this a goal? Like I said, I want you to build a whole website, about me, and loop until it's done. Now, why can't you just say that in one thread? And the reason why is because agents run out of context, right? So if you are chatting to ChatGPT and you say, build me a whole website, at some point you fill up its context, whether that's 100,000 or 200,000 or a million tokens, and then what? So what he figured out is he could say, I want to give the agent a huge goal that will definitely take multiple threads to do. Every time it finishes a small part of that, I want it to write to a file and say, this is what I did. This is what I learned. And then it restarts and it reads that in. What happened and what did it learn? And then it goes again and then writes to the same file. Think of it as like a notebook where it's like, here are the things I've done and here's the holes I fell into. And it's like Memento, the movie, right? So where he, tattoos himself or uses notes to remember, like, what did I do yesterday and what did I learn? And agents are the same, right? They don't have any long-term memory. And so he figured out, yeah, this loop actually works shockingly well. It's very primitive, this idea. And eventually, after a number of these iterations, you actually get pretty complex outcomes. And all I did, and Jeff deserves all the credit because he created the concept. All I did was basically write an article about it and say, "Hey, everybody, this is how you do this."